Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your iPad is ready. Update iPad OS, then enable Siri in Settings. Tap Siri and search, turn on Listen for Hey Siri, and press Side button for Siri. Give microphone permission so voice commands work. Choose the language and voice to match pronunciation, and set voice feedback to always or when silent mode off. Once done, test a simple prompt like, Hey Siri, what's the time? To confirm the system heard you and activated correctly. Now use Siri actively. Speak clear, concise commands and name apps or contacts precisely. For repeated tasks, create Siri shortcuts in Settings or the Shortcuts app. Record a phrase that triggers multi-step automations like texting, playing music, and starting navigation. Use follow-up requests without repeating context. Siri remembers the last subject for a short time. Make sure location and app permissions are granted so Siri can open apps, fetch data, or run home automations without interruption. Finish by optimizing and troubleshooting. Retrain Hey Siri if recognition is poor and test in quiet settings to rule out background noise. If Siri fails, toggle Siri off and on in Settings, reboot the iPad, and sign back into your Apple ID to restore cloud features. Make sure restrictions or screen time aren't blocking Siri and that Wi-Fi or cellular is connected for online queries. If commands still fail, check microphone integrity and contact support as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.